I'm Jamie Chadwick reporting from Expana, bringing you the latest updates on the Middle East conflict and what it could mean for global food and ag. Global markets continue to react to the escalating conflict tied to the U.S.-Israel war with Iran and the ongoing disruption around the Strait of Hormuz, a key artery for energy, fertilizer, and agricultural shipping. After surging Monday to nearly $120 per barrel, Brent crude fell sharply, trading to roughly $92 to $93 per barrel by midday Tuesday, after comments from U.S. leadership suggested a potential de-escalation in the conflict. But that intraday trading simply underscores the level of uncertainty we've been seeing in global oil markets since the conflict began. Prices had earlier climbed to multi-year highs as the conflict disrupted production and shipping across the Persian Gulf and threatened traffic control through the Strait of Hormuz, a route that typically handles roughly 20% of global oil supplies. For agriculture, that volatility is translating directly into fuel, freight, and fertilizer cost risk heading into the Northern Hemisphere planting season. But the immediate concern is not just oil, it's that the Persian Gulf is one of the most concentrated fertilizer export regions in the world. Fertilizer markets are increasingly in focus as roughly one-third of globally traded urea fertilizer moves through Gulf producers such as Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE, much of it being shipped through Hormuz. If shipping is disrupted even briefly, the global spot market tightens quickly because fertilizer supply chains run on relatively small inventories. Analysts warn the timing is particularly sensitive, as early March is one of the most sensitive periods of the agricultural year. Farmers in the US, Europe, and parts of Asia are currently securing inputs for spring planting, limiting their ability to adjust if fertilizer prices spike further. Food trade-specific impacts are starting to emerge globally. Some analysts note that while energy markets have buffers, the global food system may be more vulnerable if fertilizer and freight disruptions persist. Ultimately, the biggest watch points this week remain on oil volatility, fertilizer availability, and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, all of which could quickly translate into higher production costs and tighter global food trade flows. We'll continue tracking those developments and what they mean for producers, traders, and global food supply chains. Stay tuned to Expana for continuous updates on the developing situation. Visit expanamarkets.com to learn more.